Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legion, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should activate, or I should activate the SIM pin here on my device. And after that, go into the settings application. Here click to the privacy section and scroll to the more security section. After that, click here to the SIM card lock section, and just to remove SIM pin you should click once on the switcher, and here enter your currently device password, SIM pin password. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully removed the SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.